But before that, I want to start with a question. Do you actually know what is a message broker? So if I have to open up this question, like what is a message broker? So first of all, what is a broker? So basically you might have seen brokers everywhere. So suppose if you are going to a new city like Pune and you want to find a home there or a house or a flat, then you are someone who wants to rent, and then there is someone who wants to rent it out. So he is the owner. So you are the tenant and this is the owner. So there would be a middleman, okay, and this middleman will take some commission and get the deal done, because it will understand what are the tenants' needs and it will also understand what are the owner needs. Similarly, in stock markets we have platforms like Zerodha in India, and then there are different platforms across the globe where you as a trader or an investor go into that particular stock broking platform and you buy some stocks. Okay, so you don't know what is needed, but this broking platform understands that, okay, what is needed in that market. This is what a broker does. It understands the language of yours and your needs, and then it also understands what is needed by the other party. So similarly, message broker is required when you have distributed systems and you want those distributed systems to interact with each other. So there are these distributed systems which are generating data, and then there are these systems which wants to take this data. Then you will have this message broker in the middle. This message broker, so for example, there is an application which is written in Java and generating some data, but this particular application is expecting data for Python. This is the role of this broker to convert this feed in the right manner. So this is basic understanding of what a broker does.